The 1967 Ford Mustang marked a significant evolution in the history of this iconic American pony car. After the overwhelming success of the initial Mustang models, Ford recognized the need to keep the car fresh and competitive. The 1967 redesign was the first major styling change, resulting in a Mustang that was both more muscular and more refined. Responding to competition and the desire to offer larger, more powerful engines, the 1967 Mustang grew in size. It became 3 inches wider and 2 inches longer than its predecessors, although the wheelbase remained the same. This expansion provided the necessary space to accommodate Ford's FE Series big block engines, most notably the 390 cubic inch V8. While some, like Lee Iacocca, were initially hesitant about the increased dimensions, the changes were ultimately seen as a success. The added size gave the Mustang a more aggressive stance, enhancing its visual appeal and road presence. The redesign was careful to maintain the Mustang's core identity while adding maturity and aggression. The grille opening was larger, and the body featured more sculpted side panels with simulated air scoops. The fastback model was particularly striking, boasting a completely restyled roofline with a sleek, swept back appearance, a large rear window, and distinctive air louvers. The interior also received significant upgrades. A proper gauge cluster with round dials replaced the earlier, more basic instrumentation, and an optional in-dash tachometer became available. The air conditioning unit was integrated into the dash, and safety was improved with a padded dashboard. New options like a tilt steering column, speed control, and an overhead console added to the car's comfort and convenience. The interior, much like the exterior, became more refined and mature. The 1967 Mustang offered a range of engine choices to suit various preferences and performance needs. From the economical 200 CID inline-6 to several V8 options, buyers could tailor their Mustang to their liking. The engine options included 200 CID inline-6, a reliable and economical base engine producing 20 horsepower. 289 CID V8, available in 2-barrel, 200 horsepower, and 4-barrel 225 horsepower configurations, offering a step up in performance. 289 CID High-IPO V8, a high-performance version of the 289 V8, generating 271 horsepower for those seeking more thrills. 390 CID V8, the new big block option, delivering 320 horsepower and transforming the Mustang into a true muscle car. Transmission options included 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, and 3-speed automatic, allowing for further customization of the driving experience. Despite increased competition in the pony car market and a strike that impacted sales, the 1967 Ford Mustang was a popular and successful model, with over 472,000 units produced. Its combination of updated styling, increased size, and potent engine options solidified its place as an American classic. Today, the 1967 Mustang remains highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts, celebrated for its iconic design, performance, and enduring appeal as a symbol of American automotive history.